Okay, let's document it.
It's recording.
So we're here on December 29th at Elkwater Hidden Valley ski area.
Yeah.
It's not very fun because like
it's a nice day though. You know?
Yeah, it's a nice day, but the best run's closed, so that's kind of gay. But it's always closed.
Bottom's open.
I've only fallen once, and it was just like in the chairlift line, so that's not even like bad yet.
Yeah.
I think Ashley fell. You fallen once, right?
Fell in a hole.
She fell in a hole.
She fell in a hole.
Yeah.
On McGee, there was like a dip on the right side.
That's
And she
Logan.
fell in the hole.
Oh yeah, where the trees are?
Yeah.
I noticed that because I went up and then I went this way and I saw the little dip.
Yeah, I went around it too. Ashley fell in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then of course Morgan goes and bends his good new
Morgan
pole.
bends, we tried to fix it.
It's really gay. I'm not very happy right now, but you know, whatever.
Oh well.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
All because of the fucking Elkwater people screwing with the skis, you know, adding explosives to the bottom.
Yeah.
okay. Well, that ends recording
Yeah,
number
we'll
one.
update another time on the chairlift.
Yeah.